Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, you might notice that we're in a slightly different environment, and that's because I've moved to another place, but I'm still here in Barcelona to check out the Honor Magic 4 Pro. So think of this video as sort of a follow-up to my video that I just posted about 2 or 3 days ago, where I covered a full hands-on on this Honor's latest flagship device, the Magic 4 Pro. Now I noticed in the comment section below that a lot of you guys were actually wondering more about the cameras itself. You guys said that the watermark, the Honor V40, is something of a different device, but in actual fact, I was always using the Magic 4 Pro here, but that was a pre-production unit, that's why it came with a different code. But now that I've updated to the latest software, I do have the Honor Magic 4 Pro watermark. So yep, everything is still from the same device, but we can expect to see better image quality as well as videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very quick clip, about 1 minute long, so you guys can actually tell how the video functions on the Magic 4 Pro. I'll also be showing you a lot of pictures taken during the day, a couple of ultra-wide shots, zoom shots, as well as night images, everything that you can expect from the cameras at the back here, because it is quite a flagship camera. Now, before I show you all that, I should also recap on the specifications of the camera that we have at the back. Now, if you look closely at this huge camera cutout or module, if you may, you notice that we have 5 items at the back here, and some of you might think that it's a lot of sensors, but in actual fact, we have 3 main sensors. Now, the first one is a 50 megapixel main sensor. You also have a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor that does 122 degrees. Now, last but not least, the third one here is a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto kind of lens, and this guy does 3.5 times optical zoom and 100 times digital zoom. So that also comes with OIS, so everything is very stable. Now, moving on, we also have 2 more circles at the bottom, and you might wonder, what is that for? Well, the first one on the left here is actually a DTOF sensor, and what this does is it helps to focus quicker and more accurately. It also helps in taking your portrait photos so that you have those really nicer blurred backgrounds. The other one on the right here, the last one, is actually a flicker sensor, and what this does is it helps to reduce flicker in both your images and your videos. Let's go! Hello everybody, today we'll be checking out a very quick video test on the Honor Magic 4 Pro. This device just launched here in Barcelona, and because we have such a wonderful place here, we're going to see the OIS, how good it is for taking videos. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to show you guys around this very nice theme park. Let's go. Let's go. So of course we have the here we have the carousel. Yeah, it's just the buttons moving around. Alright guys, so now done with the video test. Me personally, I think it's a very high resolution kind of video. Obviously, again, I was recording in 4K. I noticed that the color was spectacular. I did not have much noise here in between, and the stabilization actually worked really well for me, even without OIS, but with EIS. Let me know what you guys think of the video down below. Now we're going to move on and check out a couple more photos taken by the Honor Magic 4 Pro. Again, like I mentioned, I'll be showing you a couple of photos taken during the day, a couple of ultra-wide shots, zoom shots, as well as night shots. Let's begin. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Again, this is just to showcase the capabilities of the camera on the Magic 4 Pro. Cameras today in most smartphones are really advanced, but we always look to see which one is better and which gives you a great experience. So far for the Honor Magic 4 Pro, I'm pretty impressed with the kind of videos as well as images coming out of it. But let me know what you think. I'm here to actually find out what you guys think of these photos because I know a lot of you have a lot of comments. So let me know down in the comment section below if you like it, if you don't like it, if you think it can be improved. Let me know down below. Otherwise, I do hope you liked today's very quick and short video. Don't forget to drop a like, sub to the channel to show your support. That would be super much appreciated. And I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!